English shorten 120 words per minute. Second paper Kerala DCP condensation and elaboration model question paper dictation. Start. Speaking in the Legislative Assembly, an honorable member said, "Sir, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to address this House. I am glad that the food position is better now, but we cannot be complacent. For the last 2 or 3 years, monsoons have been favorable to us, but it may not continue for a long time, as we may have a spell of adverse season. So we must have proper storage of food grains. The price paid for paddy is very low. It is not sufficient to meet the cost of production. So if the central government are not coming forward to increase the subsidy, I request the state government to increase it. As far as industries are concerned, I have one suggestion. As far as the leather good are concerned, there is a very good market for them in foreign countries. These articles can be manufactured very cheaply by the ordinary laborers without the use of modern machinery. So the government or the Khadi and Village Industries Board can canvass exports orders for the leather goods and give to the artisans to manufacture such good as purse, belt, etc. These exports can earn not only very valuable foreign exchange but also reduce unemployment. To have uniform production, we may purchase leather from the industrialists and turners and distribute it to the people. There is a very good demand for these goods and there is a good margin of profit. Nowadays, these items are being exported, but they are being manufactured by big concerns. It has been mentioned that the government are going to provide house sites for about a lakh of people in the next 5 years. Already, these government and the previous government have built several house sites for the poor, but not up to the mark. Therefore, I would request the government to bestow some attention on the previous of proper amenities. These people, they should see that schemes already sanctioned or executed in a proper manner. The 1 lakh houses to be provided should be located in other place with healthy surroundings and not in low-lying areas. Thank you very much. Stop. Annual General Meeting Model Question Paper 120 words per minute. Start. Vikrant Tyres Limited, Mysore decides to hold 4th Annual General Meeting on Sunday, 10th February at its registered office, Mysore at 10 a.m. to transact following business: to receive and adopted directors report and audited balance sheet and profit and loss account for previous years, to elect directors in place of those retiring by rotation and are eligible for re-election, to declare dividends, to approve budget estimates and any other important subjects for which due notice has been given. Share transfer book to be closed up to end of month. Prepare notice of meeting. Stop.